today we're off to the Berkshire Egg Run, which is organised by the Thames Valley Vultures, and it's a bunch of bikes and bikers bearing Easter gifts assemble at the old Reading Town Football Club Stadium, Scours Lane, and then we convoy through the countryside, dipping into Oxfordshire, and then we end up at the Rugby Club where all of the Easter eggs are gathered together, and then later they'll be given out to disadvantaged families and people across Berkshire. So it's a good cause, and it's a great excuse to get out on the bike on what was actually quite a mild but fairly grey afternoon. See how many people are here yet? Berkshire Egg Run 2026. It's quite a scenic little route we take out into kind of South Oxfordshire, then back round to Reading Rugby Club. Still riding sensibly. I'll bring you along to the journey and speak to you when we get there.